Two men arrested as part of an investigation into money laundering have been released without charge. The suspects in their 30s and 40s have been questioned about a €4 million investment fraud. And the posh couple from Gogglebox have been offered their own chat show. Channel 4 wants Steph and Dom to interview celebrities and come and stay at their guest house. Stephen and Chris from Gogglebox say they want an invite.
We want to go down and stay in their guest house,
but they're going to have to give us a discount.
Roy Keane regime. What's the early progress report?
They've approached it with a great work ethic, great honesty and a great drive. And both of them just want this Irish team to qualify for a major European Champs. Get to France. Now, I couldn't but speak highly of both. Most of my contact would naturally be with Mark, manager. But certainly Roy's gone about his work in a very professional way as well.
Now Gary O'Neill's enjoying his football more than ever. He's just won the SSE Electricity Soccer Riders.
Yeah, we are in trouble here. Nobody going.
After more than a decade playing League of Ireland. It also comes just months after his return from a battle with testicular cancer. He told Night of M Sport today how that's...
I think the guy that gave up. Now he's just blocking the road.
Now it's easy saying that now we've had a good few results and my form has been pretty okay, but I am trying to enjoy it a little bit more.
Now Chelsea 3-1 down playing PSG in the Champions League at the Bridge this evening. Fergus McFadden won't play.